Hey everybody, this is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading, so you might be interested in that. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope you're doing well. This morning last night we had a really nice blizzard. I got to push my son home in the car last night or the night before. This morning my kids couldn't get to school because there were snowdrifts that were too deep for them to walk through. So anyway, it's been pretty fun over here in Utah, enjoying all of that. But let's get going. I'm going to try to be a little shorter today. Just wanted to remind you that cryptoinfluencers.com is my home base, and we are at, this is where the free channel is. This is the pro channel, and it's cool to have some people joining the pros. Everything looking great. All right, let's hop in. We are looking at another day of red. Last night we were green. This morning we're red. Overall, the market sentiment after our GDP reading was a little bit negative. But I don't know if that was true. I kind of feel like the bulls needed an excuse to push the S&P down, and I'll show you what I mean. This is the chart that tells it all. We've been waiting for the S&P. So resistance, 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 breakout, confirmation. We're waiting for confirmation. And really we needed something significant. The confirmation could happen at any point. It really, normally I would expect this particular line to be it. So going down to, 394.3 or something it would have been good enough. But this morning on the Pro channel, I said, yay, we hit the 50. And we may just have a recovery from here. And I think that it might be playing out exactly like that. We just needed to tag something. We needed something down here. We weren't just going to go straight up. We needed to come back and find some kind of confirmation on the other side of this breakout. The S&P, they follow the old rules. And the old rules of trading, this is extremely typical. I was completely waiting for this. And this is close enough. Our S&P drop today is probably good enough. I don't think we have to completely get down to this line. Hitting the 50 down here is a nice spot. And look how we've reacted afterwards. It's moving up, which means we may have S&P on our side. This is a bullish chart. This is bullish. Everything on the S&P looks really good. And with that means there should be no more surprises for Bitcoin. And let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin this morning, so I've been kind of watching this. So if I go to the 1 minute chart and I go to so I'm looking at Bitcoin on top and S&P down here, and then Litecoin on the bottom. I just added in for fun. But really, the S&P kind of found a bottom, and now we're just ramping up. Bitcoin's been all over the map. I'm not sure what these 2 minutes were all about, but we're following the S&P now. Same here on Ethereum, and we're curving up. So in my opinion, we're kind of on the upswing, probably across all markets. I do not think we are going to lose this line. And I'll point it out right on this chart. I do not think we're going to lose this line. We've hit it twice as support. We are getting candle bodies a little bit lower, but as long as we have a candle body that does not close below it, and honestly, we can be very close to it. So I still wouldn't care if we dropped all the way back. This line is at 23,750, but I'm loving the amount of time we're spending up here. So this nice slow turn, gaining support here. When we start ramping up again, we will get going. And honestly, if we touch 25,000 again, I think we'll break it. We finally have exactly what we need. We have a very strong resistance, higher support, resisting like crazy. 6 days of resistance off of these levels. We come back down, find a nice foothold off of this high here, and we will absolutely have everything we need to break this. So it's getting close, and it's getting very exciting. You can tell that there's still bullishness. Yesterday's candle is bullish. Look at this. We dropped all the way down and came all the way back up because, bulls are just excited. They don't want to give it a break. And same with this. We went up pretty good. We dropped right when the news came out, and this morning with the S&P dropping a bit. And now we're just muscling our way back. I don't know. I have no idea if this will turn into a green day. The S&P is likely to come back, and it will be a very bullish reversal. If this pulls all the way back up to open, it's going to be quite a signal that we've hit the bottom of this downward leg. But yeah, I'm liking it. Everything looks really good. We have support on the 20. We have the 50 rising. In fact, the 50 is now at 21,926. Tomorrow, we will be above 22,000. So if we have the 50 as support above 22,000, we're getting squeezed. I love getting squeezed between these right here because this is when things start getting really hot and then breakouts become imminent. So it's looking good. There's one thing I have to point out. Bitcoin today is red. Ethereum today is green. Big difference. This is a very unusual thing to have happen. Bitcoin and Ethereum almost go together every time. When Bitcoin's dropping, Ethereum's dropping faster. When Bitcoin's rising, Ethereum rises faster. We rarely see a time when Bitcoin is down and Ethereum is up. And why would that be? Well, just look at the market structure on Ethereum. This is really, really bullish. We had our normal breakout of the red zone, big strong move. We kind of just chilled out. We didn't have a ton of insanity like we did on Bitcoin. We gained support off of the 20 here, support on the 20 here. Guess I can zoom in. Got support off the 20 here, support off the 20 here. Big candle to break the 20, but we did come down, found the 50 as absolute perfect support. Big candle to get back through the 20, and now we just hit it as support yesterday. Now we've got everything we need. We are dealing with the 50 coming down here, and with Bitcoin kind of pulling us back a bit, it is dropping a little bit, but the structure is really nice. The structure is better on Ethereum than it is on Bitcoin. And you can see that in the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So this is the number of Bitcoin that one Ethereum is worth. It's kind of a strange way to think about it, especially for the new guys. But on Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we have lost ground against Bitcoin. Ethereum has dropped faster than Bitcoin. Whether Bitcoin's going up or down, Ethereum has not been keeping up. But I think that's about to change. I'm getting really bullish on Ethereum. And I'll tell you why. Look at this support line. It started, holy mackerel. It didn't start here. Well, no, we'll call it. We'll call it here. This is still fine. This started in 2019. This line here is 3.5 years old. That is one major support. It's not that we hit this bottom. We've hit support. COVID made it through, but the second we got back above it, support again, support here. This is the bottom of our current bear market. And no, that's 2022. Hang on, I need a reference. 2022. Oh, that was the big that was the selling climax at the beginning. Okay, so anyway, you see this line though, 3.5 years old, and it's finally coming into play again. We will most likely, the longer a support is, the more the more strength it has. This is likely to be a turning point for Ethereum. Ethereum's just about to start outpacing Bitcoin in a major way. And not only are we at that critical changing point down here, but look what we've done over the past couple of years. Look at this horizontal resistance. This started in 2018. This is older than our support. This line here, resistance, 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 and we've kind of chopped lower than it down in here in this range. This is a massive ascending triangle. That means that Ethereum is about to outpace Bitcoin in a major, major way. We have until September of this year to resolve this. And most of these break to the upside. Ethereum's about to light on fire, and it is exciting. I have a nice long position in Ethereum, so I'm excited about that. I've been reducing my Bitcoin short little by little, just patient. And so right now, my portfolio prefers a long breakout, and that is exactly where I want to be. Everything's looking really, really nice. So yeah, just had to share that little tidbit. I think the S&P's about to start moving up. Bitcoin's moving up. Ethereum's going to move faster. That's pretty much the summary of what I'm seeing in the charts today. All right, I'll let you go there. Quick video, but we got all the good stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.